Every job starts with a contract, but behind every contract is a set of rules, balancing the rights of the employee and the obligations of the employer. This framework is called employment law. Employment law is the body of laws, regulations, and legal standards that govern the relationship between workers and employers. It protects employees from unfair treatment and helps businesses stay compliant and ethical in their practices. From the moment someone applies for a job, to how they're paid, treated, managed, and even dismissed, employment law is at play. It covers areas such as minimum wage and working hours, health and safety, discrimination and harassment policies, leave entitlements, unfair dismissal and redundancy, and much more. For HR professionals and business leaders, understanding employment law isn't optional. It's essential. Missteps can lead to legal disputes, financial penalties, and reputational damage. But when applied correctly, employment law builds fairer workplaces, strengthens employee trust, and reinforces organizational integrity. At the Knowledge Academy, our employment law courses help you make sense of this complex legal landscape, from core legal principles to real-world HR applications. Stay compliant, build credibility, gain the legal confidence to lead responsibly with expert training in employment laws.